All right, for this activity, you guys are going on a Disney adventure. Okay, this is going to be a decimal and budgeting activity. So we have been practicing multiplying and dividing multi-digit numbers, and in previous classes you have worked with decimal operations. Okay, going to be the same idea. So for this activity, this is the background information. You and a friend decide to go to Disney World, but you must first budget out your trip. So you have $4,000 to spend on your trip to Disney World. So that includes airfare costs, hotel costs, food costs, miscellaneous souvenirs, actually going to Disney World. That is, you have $4,000 in total to be able to spend on that trip. Okay? So it's not like $4,000 to spend on the hotel, $4,000 to spend on airfare. It is $4,000 all together. Okay? So you have to figure out how much it's going to cost to stay at a hotel, how much it's going to cost to fly there, how much food is going to cost, and how much you're going to spend on souvenirs, or how much you will have to spend on souvenirs. You're also going to determine how much it will be for both you and your friend to go to the theme park, and you will determine how much it'll cost just for one person. You and your friend decide to fill out a spreadsheet to plan your trip out. So for this activity, you're going to be working on creating a budget. As I've said, the theme park is going to be Disney World. Disney World is, if you've never actually heard of it, it's just an amusement park. It has rides. You can, they have Disney characters like Mickey Mouse, Goofy, Donald Duck, princesses, stuff like that. There's a picture right there that is a picture of Disney World. You're going to use Google Sheets. Well, you're going to use Google Sheets and Excel. I'll explain that in another video on how to do that. The link will be provided in Canvas, so use that link. And all you're going to have to do is fill in the information. I will have a template for you to use. So all you're going to do is fill out how much it's going to cost for the airfare and hotel and all that. Okay, and I'll have that information in the next slide. So that information is right here. Your hotel cost is $75.50 per night. Okay. Your airfare one way is $272.99. And that's one way. So if you decide to do a round trip, you're going to have to double that. Okay. A 2-day park pass is $99.50. So if you only just want to go for like, I don't know, 5 days, 4 days is going to be $99.50 doubled, and then you're going to divide the $99.50 by 2 and then add that. So I'll just do a little explanation. So you say you want to go 5 days, right? So you're going to do $99.50 times 2, right? And it's $199. Now you have one extra day because that's only, this right here is only 4 days. So you have one extra day because you want 5 days. So you're going to divide $99.50 by 2. And that's $49.75. So you're going to just add $199 plus $49.75 and just add those together. And that'll give you the total cost of staying there for 5 nights. It'll be the same as 7 nights or 7 days, 6 days, whatever. Okay, if you have any other questions, feel free to ask me. The link that you're going to need is provided right there. And for this, you can only view that link because I don't want it to mess with the template. And like I said, there will be another video posted, and that video is actually going to show you how to open it in Google Sheets, and then you're going to open that document. It'll show it how to open that document in Excel. And then once you're finished filling it out, it'll show you how to post that specific Excel sheet back onto Google Sheets. Okay? If you still don't understand, that's fine. Just email me and I can help you in class. So these are the questions you're going to be answering. How long will you be staying? So that there will be a column in the Google Sheets. How much is the hotel going to cost for you and your friend for however long you choose to stay? So like if you want to stay for 4 days, answer for 4 days. If you want to stay for 3, answer for 3, stuff like that. And then they want to know how much you're going to have to pay. So just for one person. Okay. And then how much is it gonna, or how much are you gonna spend for airfare for both you and your friend? And then the next question is just for yourself. And then how much is it gonna cost for you and your friend to go to the theme park? So like I said on the previous slide, if you are going for 4 days, just multiply that price by 2. If you're gonna go for 5, multiply it by 2 again, and then add that last day. Now, when I say that, that's only for one person. Okay, so whatever price you get at the end of that, you got to double it again. Okay, if you have questions about that, feel free to ask me. And then how much are you going to have to spend on food in the parks? Now in the Google Sheets, there's going to be a spot that says miscellaneous. That is not for food. That is actually for souvenirs. So the miscellaneous is for souvenirs. So at the end of your Google Sheets, when it says total, that's going to be what you put for how much you're going to have to spend on food. That'll be the total after souvenirs. The Google Sheets is pretty much going to do most of the work for you, and all you have to do is fill it out. Just some of these questions you're going to have to answer on your own. Okay? And then what was the cost of the trip for one person, and then how much for both. Okay? If you have any other questions, please feel free to ask. Please have fun doing this. Okay? All right. See you in class.